This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, good morning. This the last class, and we talk about Java 8 features. We done the first class, right? With the first class, first class is we talk about Lambda, Lambda, right? Lambda expressions we completed one. Today class, I'll use that Lambda in the collections, right? I'll use the Lambda in what collections, To use the Lambda in the collections, guys, let me take the forEach method. ForEach method is used to print the collection data. It is used to print the what? Print the what data, collection data. Use it to print the collection data. Right, guys, let me write the example so that you get the clarity. So here yesterday this is workspace, then we have the data. Let me create a new project, otherwise new collections. I want to take the class. Guys, what the class name? Otherwise let me take the new eclipse id, eclipse id 2022. So you can write the jdbc something like this. Click on okay. Guys, yesterday class we learned the lambda expression, right? Today we'll apply the lambda expressions in the collections. We apply the lambda expressions on what, collection, right? Exactly. Just to apply the lambda expressions on collections, because I want to take the list of names. But to take the list of names, take the list of the data is strings, names equal to take the demo arrays dot as list method is there. Arrays dot what as list. Instead of adding the doing like add, just let me take the simple approach is what arrays dot as list. Arrays dot as list. Let me take some names. What are the names here? Ratan, Sanu, no, Ratan, Anu. We can write like we can write the Stravia, and we can write the we can write what Chendu. Okay, fine. Yeah, these are the names, na? Yeah, because I want to print these names. Previously, to print the names, you're using for each method, for each loops, right? In the collections, what we'll use for each loop, iterator cursors, list iterator cursors, right? Instead of that, now let me use the lambda expression code. Instead of that, what we'll use, lambda expression code, right? Exactly. Because how it will be like, this is the last class. Last class lambda example 1 greeting, lambda example 2 operations, lambda example 3 service. It's last class what we done. I think that video is uploaded in YouTube, just you can check it. Okay, today class today class let me go for the array list. Yeah, so let me create the class. You know how to create the class in eclipse ID, right? Take the class. What the class name, so this is like data. Tell me guys. Array list example, something like this. Click on what main method, click on the finish. Bus. Yes, let me take the list of names. To take the list of names, this is a code. List of arrays dot what as list. I want to print the data. Previously, what we used, we used tell me for each loop and for loops and cursors, right? But we, instead of using that names dot, we have one method like for each method. Names dot what for each method. See guys, this is a for each method. Names dot for each method. Now for each method is taking the argument is which argument, consumer. Argument is what consumer, right? Yeah, for each method, is a for each method. Now you need to check this for each method predefined support. To check this for each method syntax, hold the control, click on this method. Once if you click on this method, you will get that for each method syntax. This is a for each method syntax, you are calling for each method, but that internally using what for each loop only. That internally using what for each loop, right? Yeah, this is from which version of Java 8th version. Okay, this is like for each method. For each method expecting which argument, consumer. Okay, which argument, consumer, right? Exactly. Guys, now come to here. This is a syntax for the for each method. Now for each method is taking the argument is what, consumer. So if for each method is taking the argument is what consumer. Consumer is a normal interface, a function interface, that we need to check. Again, hold the control, click on the consumer. Then you go for the consumer data. Consumer is a normal interface, functional interface, functional interface. Consumer is what functional interface, right? Exactly. Okay, so it is a functional interface. Consumer. So close the bridge. Functional interface means it contains how many methods? Exactly one method. That is called the accept method. You get the point, right? Accept method, like this. So today you're going to print the data using which method? For each method. For each method is taking the argument is what, consumer, and consumer is a normal interface, a functional interface, a functional interface, which contains only one method is called accept method. Now it is a functional interface means for each we're expecting which object? Consumer, na? Consumer is a normal or functional? Functional. You can write the lambda expression, right? Exactly. You can write lambda expression. Lambda expression syntax is what? Arrow. Here indirectly we are writing implementation of which method? Accept method. That's what arrow. Argument is how many arguments? One argument. We reprint the type. We reprint what? Type. Actually here the string variable name is name. I'm going to print that name. This is our control space. I'm going for the name, right? That's it, guys. That is a lambda expression. You don't need to use the cursors. No need to use like tell me here. Uh, list of strings, right? String what am I? Name. But argument na argument means we have to put inside the brace. Bus. You got the point. Arrow is there na. Before arrow is argument, right? Argument means braces required. Then after arrow, this one, right? Printing the data. Yes, yes or no? Which one is simple? For each loop, cursors recommended, just names dot for each is good. Names dot for each. Simply run this code, you'll get the output. Ratan Anu Sravya Chendu. But you know that while taking the lambda expression, this type is required or not required, type is not required. Remove the type of the data. I remove type. I remove type. Directly I can take only name, right? Exactly. Print the data, guys. Print the data, you'll get the output is what? Same Ratan Anu Sravya and what? Chendu, right? Exactly. And that is called for each method. Arrangement is taking the argument is what? Consumer. Consumer is an arbitrary functional interface. Functional interface. Functional interface contains only one method. Which method? Accept method. That implementation you can write here itself. That implementation we can write here only. Got the point? Yes, that's information. Guys, let me take one more like list of integers. Tell me the code list of integers. You can take some numbers. Tell me numbers equal to. You can take arrays dot. What method name? As list method. You can write the 10, 10 comma 4 comma 5 comma 67 comma 34 like this. Guys, how can you print the data? Something like numbers dot speaker numbers dot what for each expecting what for each expecting what lambda expression for each expecting the consumer. Consumer is a functional interface. Functional interface means lambda. Then what is the argument? How many arguments? One argument. Can I take the number like this? Make sure that here list of numbers. But while printing, you will get the numbers one by one. One by one. One by one means here the number numbers number. Singular plural we have to take care. Here names contains one name or multiple names multiple names. For each method is printing one by one name all names are one by one. One by one means here it should be what name, right? That terminal is important. Here numbers, it means it contains list of numbers, but this for each method is printing what number by number, right? Yes or no? That's what you can take the reference as number, but here the fixed name or any name you can use any name, right? Yeah, this is a variable name, variable name can be any name, right? Exactly. That's what here, this is our control space. We can take what number, right? That's all. I simply can run this code, if you run this code you get the numbers also. Getting numbers or not? Exactly. Is that clear? Yes. But this is a strings. This is like numbers. Sir, can you please add the employee update, sir? I want to add employee updates. But to add employee update, first let me create the employee class. Tell me guys, employee class with how many properties you want me create? I want to take the class. The class name is what? Employee. Click on what am I? Finish. Tell me what the properties. Tell me int employee ID, string employee name, and double employee salary. But during object creation, I want to initialize the data. During object creation to initialize data, we have the constructor. Right click here, source. Right click here, source. Generate. Generate. constructor using fields. I'm saying that initialize data during object creation. During object creation means what? Constructor, right? Here, super keyword compiler generates because it is calling the parent class zero argument constructor. If you want keep like that, it's not required. By default, it generated. By default, it will be generated. Yes, now you can see guys, this one is array list. Yes, now tell me guys, list of what? List of EMP. There is a code for that. How to add the data? List of EMP. EMPS equal to. Tell me. Arrays dot. Tell me arrays dot what? Arrays dot as list. As list of. Can you please add the employee? New EMP. Employee ID is what? 101. Employee name is what? Employee name is what? Ratan. And employee salary is what? 10,000 point. 10,000 rupees. 3 4 something like this. Comma. First object is added. First object is added, comma. Second object you want me add the second object. Here to add the second object, put the comma. While writing the code also, you should write the code like this, man. New employee. New employee. See, previously you can write the 11. You can write here what? 12. So here you can add the Ratan Maha. So 20,000 points, something like this, comma. Next one is what, new EMP. Tell me, yes, new EMP. Employed is what? 13. Next one is what? Next one is what, we can write Maha. And then we can write what, Stravia. So here you can write the 4,000, right? 40,000.56. Now, how many objects am I adding? Just three objects. Enough. You want me print that object using which one, for each method. For each loop, for each method. Tell me the syntax for that. EMPS dot for each. For each we're expecting argument is what? Consumer. Consumer is a functional interface. That interface contains which method? Accept. Which method? Accept. That implementation we have to write here. Arrow. Expecting one argument. EMP. Get the point, right? EMP. EMPS contains multiple. EMP means every element is repeating, iterating. Every element is what? Iterating. Then tell me guys, here we have to write sysout control space EMP dot ID plus some space you can write. Next one is what, plus EMP dot ename plus some space plus EMP dot eSalary. Bas. This is good, right? Right in the for loops, for each loops, cursors. Instead of those all, this is looking good or not? Now simply can run this code. Getting output or not? Double one Ratan, 10,000.34. One two Maha, 2,000 rupees 0.45. Stravia 40,000. Are you clear now? That is called for each method. What method? For each, right? Exactly. Yes, I can take the set date also even. Set of I can take the string. Set of strings colors. Colors equal to, yes, arrays dot as list will work for the only list data. But set data means I can use set dot off method actually. This is from Java 9 version onwards. Set dot off methods. Tell me some colors, red. I like orange. Like what, orange, orange and red. Sometimes I like pink also. Blue, black, white, bad colors. Red, orange, pink. Brinjal color ఏంటి? Huh? V. I like violet also. V. I O. Violet. Brinjal color, na? That is also good, right? So colors are good, that is good actually. Some people are saying white and no feeling important. Ma, I want print the data, set data. Set data, how to print colors dot what for each. Colors dot what for each. Tell me guys, arrow. Before arrow is what color tha color color. Colors are color. Then sys out control space color. What am I? Color. Then print the colors. Click on what? Run. Actually, I can write another example, but not required, right? We can make it as everything is possible. Red, violet, pink, orange. Because set is ordered, unordered, unordered. That's what you are getting output like that. List is ordered, set is ordered, unordered, unordered. Even set also you can apply the for each or not. List also you can apply the for each, right? One more last is pending. Which one? Map, right? Tell me guys, map means what? Map of my left hand side always make sure that parent interfaces, because if it's a parent means it can hold all the child objects. List, set, map. Tell me guys, map means what we want to take? What type of key value pairs? Word count I can take. Word and occurrences. Word means what type of string type. Occurrences means what type of integer type. Yes or no? Word means a string type. This is when you have to import first. Map, 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 map. Map key values. Key is what string. Value is what integer. Key values. Something like you can take what word count. Observe carefully. Then I want to add the data. Generally in the collections you're going for the put. You remembered or not, I don't know. But you have to go for what? Put, put, put. But here can I use list.off method? Sorry, map.off method. Map dot map dot what? Off method. Can I use the key value pairs? Ratan is the key, is occurred 5 times. My first two values are taken as a key values. First two values are taken as what? Key values. Sir, give only one thing, error amma. It's valid. I hope you can see this one, right? Error message here. You take the two values means it is no error. Why these two values are key value? Return. Next one is what amma? Is. Is occur like 6 times. Otherwise 10 times. Comma. Is comma. Call na comma na. Comma. First these two values are taken as the first entry. These are second entry. Ratan is. Next one is what amma? Great. Because you can make the comma, it will occur like 100 times. How many times 100 times. Now I want print the data. How many key value pairs are the total? Three. How can we print the data? Tell me then. To print the data, word count dot which method for each method. For each method. Observe carefully. Previously for each method expecting which object? Previously for each expecting which object? Consumer. Which object? Consumer, right? Consumer. Previously for each expecting which object mark? Consumer. This is like what data? What we can say? This is like tell me what type of data? Collection data. But map is what different, na? Because map contains two key value pairs. That's what am I here. You can take the for each method. You can click on this for each method. Previously, if you click on this for each method, collection for each method, which contains argument is what? Consumer. But now this is the collection for each, map for each. Map for each also expecting the same argument, maybe different argument. Maybe different argument. You can click on this one, map. Previously, this is what? By consumer. Previously, for each loop, normal for each method internal uses normal for each loop. Amma. Yes or no, yeah? That is internal process. This is for each method expecting normal for each loop. But here, if you take the map, for each method expected argument is what? By consumer. Here, normal for each loop is there. Key value pair for each loop is there. Key value pair for each loop. This is also for each loop only. But to normal key values are key values. Guys, you got the point, right? Yes. May you please copy this line? This is like for each method to print the collection data. Expecting argument is which argument? Consumer. Argument consumer. Second one is what? This is the for each method. This is a consumer or by consumer? By consumer. This for each method, which consumer? By consumer. Use it to print collection data, map data. Use it to print the which data, guys? Map data. So use it to print what? Map data, right? Exactly. Be clear now? Yes. The pointer? Yes. Now you need to check the by consumer. Then by consumer is what kind of interface? Definitely it is also which interface? Functional interface. Check the clearly the code. It is also functional interface. Consumer is a functional interface. By consumer also functional interface. It is also contains the accept method definitely. But accept method one argument or two arguments? Two arguments. Collections consumer accept method one argument. Map by consumer expected two arguments. Why two arguments means because very good. Because of what? Key value base. See guys, subject is very good, right? Yes or no? We need to enjoy the subject, then it's very powerful actually real time. The point, right? Yes. But here we need to take that. Let me apply this code. And now tell me this for each we are expecting what? For each we are expecting the consumer by consumer. Consumer by consumer. By consumer means arrow accept method only, but one argument or two arguments are k comma b. Any type of arguments are any type of name, any name or specific names are any name. Just like let me get the key and value. This is our control space. Let me print the key is what? Key is plus k. Next one is what? Plus yeah. So here you can write the value. Can we guess value? Key some dot like this. Value also some dot. You can write what? V. But sir, yes. The code is clear, right? Yes. See the code. Very good code. Guys, this is map.off method. First one is taken as a first entry. Second one is taken as a second entry. Third one is taken as a third entry. Entry means what? Key value pair. Entry means what? Key value pair, right? Entry means what? Key value pairs. Got the point? Yes. Sir, can you please run this code, sir? Exactly. Let me run. Right, directly run button is there, na? Click on this run button. See the output, Key is what? Ratan. Value is what? 5. Key is what? Is. Value is what? 10. Ratan is great. Value is how much? 100 times great. Key values are coming or not? That is the point. Are you clear, right? Hmm? Good. So this map.off method is clear. Map.off method. And in list I asked employee objects. Na? In map also can I write one employee object? That will be good to understand. Map of first one is integer. Let me take the employee serial number. Like employee serial number value is what? EMP. Tell me guys. EMP is equal to speak out. Map dot which method? Off method. We need to pass the first object. What the first object? Tell me, one. Serial number is integer na one. Second one is what? One na employee. Employee. Employee means what? New. New EMP. Employee ID is what? Employee ID is the 201. Employee is the 201. Employee name is what? Something like Chilaka. Employee name is what? Chilaka. Employee salary is what? 100 rupees. Bus. How much? 100. First one is done. So this one is becomes the key. This becomes what? Value. Next one, tell me. Here, let me take the 2 comma. This is the new EMP. Employed is what? 202. Here you can write the Chilaka means is what? Malakha. And salary is how much ma? 200 rupees point 45. One more record. Serial number is integer. Key is a integer. Comma new employee. What am I? New EMP. Employee is what? 203. So Chilaka, Malaka. Next one is what? Pelaka. So you can write the 300.56, something like this. Enough of 3k values. EMPS, I think we already taken, right? Uh, Map EMPS, better. Got the pointer? Yes. But you first don't write the complete code, ma. Step by step we have to. First we need to execute only this much code. I told yesterday also I executed lambda also. First is execute చేయండి, then see the output. ఏందో మొత్తం రాత్రి వసబెట్టి స్టూడెంట్స్ వెరీ డేంజరస్ అమ్మా. మొత్తం స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి కింద మొత్తం రాత్రి వసబెట్టి రన్ కొడతారు. Get the point, right? అట్లా చేయొద్దమ్మా. సో ఫస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు ప్రింట్ వాట్ అమ్మా నేమ్స్. అప్పుడు కమింగ్ ఓకే గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ వాట్ అమ్మా నంబర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఎంప్లాయీస్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ వాట్ సెట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ వాట్ వర్డ్ కౌంట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ వాట్ మ్యాప్ న్యూ ఎంప్లాయీస్ లైక్ దట్. పీస్ బై పీస్ మొత్తం స్లోలీ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అమ్మా. మొత్తం రాసేసి రన్ కొట్టి సార్ ఎర్రర్స్. వాట్ ఎర్రర్స్. మరి అన్ని రాత్రి ఎర్రర్ దాకా ఏమవుతుంది? Get the point, right? You don't write the complete code, ma. Write the code what? Piece by piece. Write the code what? Piece by piece. Tell me guys here, how can you print the data? Map emps dot which way amma? forEach. Here which what is the argument amma? Consumer by consumer. By consumer. Expecting how many arguments ma? K comma v. Here what is a k? What is K ante K anta. K ano K ano. What is K means K. No, the point is here means what type. Integer means serial number, right? Like that. First we need to print that key means sysout control space. First we need to write the key. Bus K plus on space plus. Here what is a V? EMP. That is important. V means what amma? EMP. V represented as a EMP object. We represent what amma? EMP object, right? That's what we need to call V dot. V is nothing but value. Value is what? EMP here. That's what V dot. Tell me guys. V dot what? EID plus. Tell me guys. V dot E name plus. Last one is what? V dot E salary. Like that amma. Now you got the complete idea about the forEach method, how to print the data, right? This code is very important. So no, code important, not important. If you're not able to understand, watch the video one more time. Watch the video one more time. Watch the video. But code is important, not important. Important. Writing the for loops, while conditions, outdated concepts here. Sir, I will write the array, for loops, while loops. No, where is the for loop here? Where is the while loop? These are also collections, right? Real time, what we will use this collection or that collection, what you learn? This one only we will use. We will use adding the data, add methods, and for each loops, and for loops. Iterator cursor while loop has next. वो भी गया मत चले गया. This code is very clear, right? Simply run this code at last one. We got output Anna. This is the serial number. This is what employee ID. Son, after the K comma V, which is a serial number, right? Run this code. If you run this is run button, this is a serial number. This is what serial number, right? Let's run the code. This is what serial number. This is what employee ID, employee name. This is what employee salary. This is a serial number. This is a key, guys. 1, 2, 3 is the keys. These are the corresponding employee objects. Coming data, not coming, coming. This is important example. If I want, I can make the 5, 6 example. This is But good or not good, Amma? Not good. But you don't write a complete code in one point. Huh? First, we have to check what Amma? Names printing. After that, numbers printing. After that, employees printing. After that, colors printing. After that, word count printing. Last, employees. Got the point, right? That is the point. I think today our target is what? For each what ma? Tell me yaar, for each method. I think you got the complete clarity about for each method along with list data, set data, map data. Okay. Today we added the data using how many ways ma? Two ways. One is arrays dot as list and list dot of method. This is for used to print the data, used to print the data, used to print the collection data. Here used to print the map data. Map data means argument is consumer by consumer, by consumer. One argument or two arguments are. Exactly. Are you clear? Yes. Hmm? Now check the video, write the notes carefully, follow the video, and execute the code piece by piece. Clear, right? Meet in tomorrow class. We'll continue. Bye. Like the video, comment the video, share the videos to your friends. Sharing is very very important because your friends are learn very good content. No? Sharing will be important because Amir classes they are teaching completely old version still. Sir, no, yaar. Maybe you heard about like collections no, previously, but while loop collections is all. But today class, what the for each method you done is very good, right? Like this. No, sir, I like for loop only. You write for loop only, no problem. You stay in Amirpet only. Sir, no, eh? You stay in Amirpet classes. Amirpet hostels only. Huh? But real time, if you want to get the job, write the code means this is a code. Clear up? Bye guys. But don't forget, don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment the video, click on bell symbol, write a comment about Ratan sir. Right? Bye guys.